Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. In this video, I have decided to talk to you all about my Chia mining rig. It's been off for a long time. You guys know I moved from my crypto mining garage to, I guess, where I'm here now in the basement, and you guys all know I'm going to be moving to a new house pretty soon. So here I am. I don't know the state of Chia mining right now, but a little bird told me, or somebody told me, that Chia mining is actually profitable now, and I've decided to turn this thing back on because I also do want to bring this to my new house, my new crypto mining location. And so I think it's a better time than any, because right now, you know, crypto mining, especially with GPUs, is not really profitable at the moment, okay? Depending on your electrical rate, of course, but generally I would say most residential miners, in terms of GPU mining, it's not very good right now. But when it comes to like ASIC mining, you know, for Bitcoin or Cadena or even some script, Litecoin, Dogecoin, those types of ASICs, obviously those were essentially unaffected. There are other ASICs out there that are still profitable to this day. And actually I do have some ASICs that I did want to talk about, but I'm going to leave that for another video. This video mainly, I just wanted to do Chia. I want to do like an overview of, like, I guess, seeing what's going on, and also updating my little Chia rig here of, I don't even know how many plots I have, but I do have like a, essentially this is like a RAID card, but I'm just using it as a JBOD if I remember correctly. Just a bunch of disks, singular disks with plots on them. So I'm just gonna look into the Chia's GitHub and see if there's an update. I'm sure there is since then, I guess, since I think I've had this off for now for about a couple months. And yeah, anyways guys, I will see you in the computer. I'm gonna get this updated, and we'll talk about it all right after today's video sponsor, Zero Crypto Consulting. Zero Crypto Consulting is a one-stop shop for anything you want to know about cryptocurrency or crypto mining. They specialize in professional, personalized training courses and custom mining rig builds, ranging from courses on basic crypto understanding to advanced trading techniques. If you would like to see what Zero Crypto Consulting is all about, schedule a free 30-minute strategy call with the team using coupon code RPM. They will take you to the next level and prepare you with knowledge in this ever-growing cryptocurrency ecosystem. Check out Zero Crypto Consulting, link down below. Man, it's definitely been a long time since I've seen this chart. Look at the Chia blockchain net space chart. And I totally forgot it was actually not network hash rate, but it's not net space. And like, that always threw me off, and I think till this day it still throws me off. Anyways guys, I want to go through a lot here. I want to show you, I guess, how much I'm earning roughly in terms of my plots and all that kind of stuff, and just go through, you know, is Chia still, you know, updating their project? And according to their GitHub, yes they are. And yeah, just a bunch of things I just want to show you guys, because it's been a while, I think, since I've done a Chia video. And yeah, I am not a Chia expert, just a disclaimer there, just to let you all know. And where I get my Chia info from mainly is from like Poor Investor. You guys probably saw in the beginning, he sent me his logo on a picture and I hung it, and it's just awesome. He sent me two. I think there's just another one there. But please subscribe to these guys down below, Poor Investor and also Custom Computing. He also does Chia content as well. Okay, so Custom Computing and Poor Investor, you guys are awesome. Just a little shout out to you guys. I haven't been following Chia at all. All right, just a disclaimer there, just let you guys know. So if you're here to critique me or bash me in any way, just know I'm not an expert when it comes to Chia. Okay guys, first I wanted to update you all on, I guess first you guys want to know how many hard drives I have, and it's not a lot. I only have 4 terabyte, 4 terabyte, 4 terabyte, and an 8 terabyte dedicated just for the plots. Okay, so if we go to my, let's see, this PC here, you guys can see, oh, that might be a little bit small, but look at that. That's where I have a 1 TB NVMe. This is where it was making the plots. Okay, it's just like a cache per se, so that when it's done making the plot, it then moves over to my mechanical hard drives. All right, and then I do have a C drive, which is just 500 gigabytes, which has nothing, no plots. It's just for the Chia software essentially. Okay, so yeah, I am not a big Chia farmer, just to give you guys an update there. And okay, yeah, so now I have updated to essentially the latest Chia version, 1.6.1b2. I think this is the beta version though. I don't think I was supposed to install this version, but hey, I'm trying it out anyway. Right now it is essentially updating the full node, which literally just got it started now. So yeah, but you can see total, I have 0.4 XCH. All right. Ever since I started this little journey into my Chia mining, hard drive mining or whatever you call it, farming, sorry, I keep net space, network hash rate, I'm going to get that mixed up a lot. And, I've been plotting or farming to flexpool.io. This is the website where I have my plots essentially farming to, if I got that correct terminology. And you can see I actually have an unpaid balance here of 0.022 XCH, which is worth about 74 cents right now. Just to give some context though, the price of Chia right now is I think $33.36 as of recording. It is October 1st as of recording this video. All right. But just to give some context here of, the price of Chia used to be a lot higher before, obviously, when it first came out. And there was a lot of hype. For those that don't remember Chia back in May of 2021, that's when a lot of people were buying hard drives just for Chia mining because it was amazingly profitable during this time. But obviously, I feel like a lot of people could say, the data centers or China farms took advantage of this and they were able to capitalize on it, essentially. I'm not sure how true that is. You can let me know down below. It's just something I remembered. I don't know if that's true. Poor investor or custom computing, if you guys can, comment down below if you remember something like that. But just, you guys can see the downward pressure of the price for Chia has just been down and down. And here we are today, $33. So I am not sure, and this is just obviously speculating that, Chia could one day hopefully go back up in price again. But I'm going to say that is only going to be relative to when Bitcoin decides to start going back up again. And so Bitcoin, as you all know, or some may not believe that, Bitcoin generally carries all of the crypto market as a whole. So right now, I don't think Chia is going to keep going up because obviously the state of the markets, market conditions, the economy, and, the recession, depression, whatever you want to call it, it is here essentially. So we're not quite sure. Anyway, I'm just price speculation here. A lot of people can talk about it, but I don't know. Some of you may be wondering, Red Panda, you're turning on your Chia farming, machine here. Is it going to be profitable for you to do something like this? And you know what? Let's just do some quick calculations here. Okay, so with how many plots do I have? I have, let's see, 142 plots at the moment. And actually, I do have to fill up, I still have a lot of space extra. I could fill up with these other hard drives here. I just haven't gotten around to it. And but looking at my electrical cost, okay, for this whole PC, essentially, with the hard drives, that Silverstone case I showed you guys in the beginning. So I did 0.1 kilowatt hour. All right, so it's about 120 watts for this machine, roughly. I think the last time I did the power at the wall. And I did that times 24. And that's about, 2.4 kilowatt hour for 24 hours, a whole day. Then I times that by my electrical cost, which is about 8 cents USD. And so that's about, I'm going to say 20 cents a day. All right, so times 20 cents times 30, all right, is going to be about, I'm going to say $5 to $6 a month. All right, to run this little PC I have here, little plotting machine, cute little plotting machine that you guys saw. And so, okay, so $5 to $6 in terms of electric a month. Okay, roughly. So let's go to the Chia calculator, and I am not sure how correct this is. And so I'm just going to take it with a grain of salt. All right, so for example, I put my 142 plots, okay? And looks like it updated here, okay? And then we scroll down here. So the total net space right now for Chia is, let's see, about 20.78. But according to the calculator, it says 21.3 exabytes, I believe. Anyways, scrolling down here, okay? So it says I would earn, in terms of the yield, I would earn about 0.0058 a day or 0.1762 a month in XCH. Okay, and the monthly USD value right now, I would earn about $5.82 a month. All right, so that's at the exchange rate of about $33 XCH at this current time. Of course, the price of, the price of Chia can change all the time. You all know that, or any price of crypto is very volatile. I would say, I don't know if Chia is very volatile, but it just feels like it's been on a downward price trend here, constantly. But anyways, besides the point, you guys can see how much I'm earning. So it looks like right now, it doesn't seem like I am profitable in a way. It looks like I'm probably just breaking even on running this machine in terms of the amount of XCH or chia that I'm getting. All right, so just giving you guys that information there. And I don't really think it's profitable for me personally, but in terms of, you know, running this as something like for speculating on for the long term, yes, why not, right? I have this little machine, only takes about 120 watts, 100 watts anyway. With those 4 hard drives, I might as well just run it and just see if there's going to be any price appreciation in the future, in the next, say, let's say Bitcoin cycle, in my opinion, right? Who knows, right? I'm not quite sure. But the Chia project is continuously updating, according to their GitHub, every single day by the looks of it. Looking at their repositories here and looking at what they're updating, it's constantly being updated. I don't know if you guys have been seeing this on their GitHub, but literally it just seems like every day or almost every other day they are updating. So that's a good sign that this project is still developing in a sense. And, you know, they're working on it and just building. And you can say in a sense that, you know, right now that it's a bear market, it's a good time to build anyway. And, you know, they're just focusing on getting the project, I don't know, whatever technological advance that they want to do with the project. And then looking at their Twitter, looks like they're still, you know, they almost have 100K followers. And it looks like they're tweeting and tweets. They are they're still tweeting every day. So they're still active in a sense. And yeah, I mean, looks like they're also pushing like the whole green energy. That's something, you know, that's a whole nother topic, honestly. But yeah, they're still developing. This is still a good sign for the Chia project in a sense. But whether or not it makes sense for you to get into mining for Chia, that's going to be up to you. For me personally, like I said, when I started my Chia journey, I did this with hard drives I already had. Literally hard drives I already had. The system itself, though, I did have to build. But the hard drives, I didn't go out and like actively buy. Like I already had I had a bunch of 4 terabytes already. Oh, and then I did buy a 1 terabyte NVMe as the plotting drive. Okay, so that's really the only thing that I bought. And so, did I get my money back, my like initial investment back of what the hardware I bought for this? No, obviously not, because I didn't sell any of the XCH that I used, right? And also, I guess the electric that I was using to mine or to farm, sorry, with these hard drives, you know, every I would say $6 a month. Have I gotten that back? No. So how much would all that XCH I have right now be worth? Okay, so I got 0.422. Okay, that's also including the unpaid balance that I have here. That would be worth about $14. Okay, so I definitely have not gotten pretty much any money back from this. But another thing is that I've had this thing off for 3 months, and then I think previously another 4 months before that. So I really didn't have this on full time. So maybe that wouldn't be quite a fair comparison to say, but still, like my 1 TB NVMe that I bought for like what, $100, $120 or something. I don't know how much. I don't know. I still haven't gotten that money back in terms of, yeah, the XCH. So yeah, in terms of the CPU, RAM, the hard drive, the system itself, I haven't break-evened on that yet. So anyways, I might as well just keep going with this. I don't know what you guys think. I want to know what the community thinks. Are any of you guys, you know, Chia farming? Are you guys still investing in hard drives? Do you guys believe that Chia is going to do something great in the future? Do you believe it's, you know, better than Bitcoin, better for the environment, and all that BS? And what else do you guys like? Let me know. Let me know down below. Let me know. I'm just very curious about this. But yeah, I thought I would give you guys an update, I guess, of my little Chia setup, and it's gonna come back up on here soon, and hopefully it's gonna finish syncing very soon, and also show up on Flexpool. I guess I'll do another update Chia video in a month or two, and I'll give you guys an update of how much Chia I've actually mined in a month, and then we'll compare that to the calculator that we were supposed to get. Obviously, that's going to be dependent on the Chia net space, but hopefully a whole bunch of you guys don't turn on your hard drives just because I made this video. Yeah, just don't do that. Just keep it as is. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Appreciate you all. Have a good one, and peace out.